Happy morning, students. Welcome to grade 1 day 4 English reading and writing class. Children, take your English course book. The last class we have practiced, that is page number 9. Now let's practice page number 10, blends. First I will read once, listen carefully children, and then you have to repeat along with me. Look at the first one. The letter S and C is given. How you should read this, children? The letter S you should read as S, S, and then the letter C should give us K, K. So you have to see as Sk, Sk, scan, Sk, Sk, and scan, scope, scoop, scope, scope. So once again listen children, scan, scoop, scope. Again one more time listen children, sk, the sound is sk, sk, and scan, 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 scoop, scope, scan, scoop, scope. Now look at the next one children, sk, the sound is sk, k, skate, 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 skin, skip. Once again listen children, skate, skate, skin, skin, skip, skip. Once again listen children, skate, skate, skin, skip, skate, skin, skip. Now look at the next word children, letter M gives the sound as sound. Small, smell, smile. Once again listen children, small, smell, smile, small, smell, smile. Again record this children, small, smell. The next word is smell, 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 smell. The sound is smile. Look at this, small, smell, smile. Again listen children, small, smell, smile. Look at the next one children, the letter N gives the sound as sound, snake, snake, like that children, snack. Look at this, snack, snail, snow. Again listen children, snack, 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 snail, snow, snack, snail, snow. Look at the next one children, sp. The letter P gives the sound as sp, 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 spell, spill, spoon. Once again listen children, spell, 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 spill, spoon. Again listen children, spell, spell, spill, spoon, spell, spill, spoon. Once again listen children, spell, spill, spoon. Look at the next one, st, st, st. The letter T, how should I say, T, T you have to give the sound as st, 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 star, step, stop, star, step, stop. So again listen children, star, step, stop. Look at the next one, swa, swa, swan, sweet, swim, swan, sweet, swim. Again listen the words and repeat along with me children, sk, sk, scan, scoop, scope, sk, skate, skin, skip. Next one, small, smell, smile, snack, snail, snow. Look at the next one. Spell, spill, spoon. Spell, spill, spoon. Look at the next one, children. Star, step, stop. Swan, sweet, swim. Children, in the last class we have practiced up to page number 2. Today we shall practice the page number 3. Children, first mention the date. Look at me. At the top you have to mention the date, that is 13/8/2021. Mention the date, children. 13/8/2021. Children, look at this stroke, children. First you have to draw the lines like this. See, in each stroke you have to draw the line in between the strokes, children. Then only you can write as in a line. So look at me. First you have to do the tracing. See, this tracing you have to start from this second line and touch the fourth line. Again there is a fold here. You have to bend here and you have to go above. So this is the touching point. So look at me here. The middle line is the touching point. So you have to make it like this. See, start from here. That is from the second line. Start from here, come down and then again bend here. Here there is a bend. So bend here and then go above. So look at me. One more time I am writing here. Start from here, come down, bend like this, then go above. Here this is the touching point, children. For this two strokes there is a like this one above to below and then from below to above. You have to do like this. This is the middle point. Look at this, the next one. One more time I am writing, children. See, look at me. See, come like this and bend like this and it should go above. This is the touching point. Now look at me. One more time I am writing here. See, come down, bend here and then it should go above. One more time, listen, children. Start from here, come down, then bend like this and then go above. Likewise you have to first draw the tracing, children. After completing the tracing you have to go by the next two lines is there. You have to do the same thing. So look at me. Start from here. See, this is the touching point. See, start from here, come down and then give a bend, slide bend and it should go above. Again look at me. Start from here, come down and put a small bend and it should go like this. See, one more time look at me, children. Start from here, come down and it should go above. Look at me. One more time writing, children. Start from here. We should not go from the first line. We should start from the second line. Here start from here, then come down and here there must be a bend, children. So look at me carefully and you have to do. Again one more time listen. Start from here, come down and it should join here. So likewise you have to do this. By the next line also you have to do the same thing, children. Start from here and then come down, go again a slight bend. So one more time listen, children. Start from here, come down and it should bend. So like this you have to do the tracing, children. After completing this tracing you have to practice this two lines, come down and it should touch. So likewise you have to practice it, children. So after completing this, come to the next one. Look at this, children. It is like small tick mark. How you will start from here. See, start from here. First tracing is very important. Don't give both sharp. See, look at me. Come down and then it should go above. See, again come down and it should touch here. Again look at me like a V. It must be somewhat straight and it should slanting. So somewhat straight and then slanting. Again look at me, somewhat straight and then it should slanting. Again straight and then slanting. So likewise you have to do the tracing, children. After completing this tracing you have to go by the next line. Look at me how I am writing. See, start from this second line and it touch from the third line. These two small lines you have to use it. You should not go for the first line and the fourth line. So again look at me, children. Start from here. See, somewhat straight and it must bend like this. Somewhat straight and it must bend. See, look at me. there must be a bend like this. See, don't put the V as a short, somewhat bend. It should be slightly somewhat bend. See, look at me. Likewise, you have to do this, children. See, look at me. Again, one more time I am writing, children. Look at me and write. Start from here. Come down and put on slide. See, look at me. Start from here. Put on slide. Again, start from here. Come down and bend like this. Touch here. See, one more time. See, likewise. First this line somewhat straight and little line must be and it should touch this. See, look at me and it like touch like this. So these two lines you have to use, children. The second line and third line you have to use it. So practice like this, children. First to do the tracing. After completing the tracing, you have to do the next two lines. So totally 6 lines you have to write. First mention the date, sharpen your pencil and you can practice your handwriting. So children, take your English course book, that is page number 10. Practice the blend sounds, read louder, pronounce it properly, open your mouth and read. After completing your reading session, take your handwriting book, practice the page number 3, mention the date, draw the line in between each stroke and you have to write it. After completing your handwriting, take a photocopy and send it to me. Thank you.